In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Kernel Security Check Failure error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This error usually happens when there is an issue with the Windows kernel. There are a few different ways to try and resolve this problem. Let's get started. First, it is important to mention that this issue could be caused by a hardware problem, specifically with your hard drive. If your hard drive is failing, no software fix will completely resolve the problem. If you suspect this might be the case, you should consider replacing it with an SSD or another hard drive. There are some fixes you can try as well. Let's get started. Open the search menu again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt in the search results and select Run as Administrator. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow it to make changes to your system. Now, you need to run a Dism scan to repair any system image issues. Copy the following command and paste it into the command prompt window. dism/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth press. Enter to start the scan. This process may take several minutes, so be patient while it completes. Once the Dism scan is finished, run the System File Checker scan to repair any corrupted system files. Copy the following command and paste it into the command prompt window, sfc/scannow, press Enter to start the scan. This process will also take some time, so wait for it to finish. If the scan finds and repairs any issues, you will see a message indicating the results. After both scans are completed, close the command prompt window and restart your computer. If the issue persists, you can try updating your device drivers. Outdated or incompatible drivers can sometimes cause this error. Open the search menu, type in Device Manager, and open it. Look for any devices with a yellow warning icon, right-click on them and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software and follow the on-screen instructions. Restart your computer once the update is complete. Another possible fix is to check for Windows updates. Go to the search menu, type in Windows Update and select Check for Updates. If any updates are available, install them and restart your computer. If none of these solutions work, you can try running Windows Memory Diagnostic. Memory issues can also cause this error. To do this, open the search menu and type in Windows Memory Diagnostic. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will restart and scan your memory for errors. If any issues are found, you may need to replace your RAM. Incorrect date and time settings can also cause security-related errors. To fix this, go to the search menu and type in Date and Time settings. Open the Settings window and make sure Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically are turned on. If they are already on, try toggling them off and back on. Then restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. That's it. Hopefully this solution helped resolve the issue. Thank you for watching.